right, we're back with part 2 on the Aston Martin. Today we're doing a little bit of the dry ice cleaning, especially under the hood. We've removed the header panel. We're going to go in here. We've already cleaned everything with it that can be. All the dirt, grime, everything we can clean without the use of chemicals or water, anything like that, no residue left behind. So the beauty of that is all the electronics and everything everybody worries about, none of that is affected in any way. And then also, as you notice, we're doing that now mobile. So we're out here in a parking lot. We can do this on site. Like I said, there's no chemicals, so the only thing left behind is the dirt that came off the car, which is no problem for the environment. As that's done, the engine bay is done. We still have to do the entire underbody, the suspension, all of that good stuff. But we already had our guy Jeff go through and tint everything. So we're moving along onto the final stages. We're going to pull it in next, get the clear bra off, start going through that. The wheels are here. So we're wrapping up pretty quick on this one. So stay tuned for that one. We're going to do a lot of wet sanding, polishing, get it absolutely perfect. And then we're still going to change the color, but at least that's will show you what can be done if you find yourself in this situation.